The first step of the installation process is to open Git's download website. Next, select Download for Windows. Click the link to download the latest version of Git for Windows. Once the download is completed, run the downloaded file. When prompted, allow administrative privileges. Then follow Git's installation process. Keep the default installation location. In the Components section, add 2 additional options: check daily for Git for Windows updates and add Git Bash profile to Windows Terminal. Click Next, then click Next again. Change the default editor from Vim to Visual Studio Code, then continue clicking Next through the remaining steps. Ensure all options match those shown here during your installation. At the final step, click Install and wait for the installer to complete. Uncheck View the release notes, then click Finish. Now Git is installed on your computer.